AI is supposed to make you faster, but right now it's doing the opposite. Too many tools, too many tabs, too much repetition. That's why AI Answer Lab created Ensemble, a single command center where everything works together. Let's take a look. First, you log into Ensemble. This is your main dashboard, your AI workspace where everything happens in one place. On the left side, you'll see Workspace. Think of a workspace like a folder for your project. You can create a new one by clicking on the plus icon. For example, let's create a workspace called Business Growth Plan. Now, everything related to this project, your prompts, AI responses, and files will stay organized here. Next, at the top, we select AI models. This is where you choose which AI models you want to use. For example, you can turn on ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek. Now, before we run any prompt, let's understand one of the most powerful features, the knowledge base. When you click on the Knowledge Context panel, a panel will open on the right side. Here, you will see the Knowledge panel. This is where you can upload documents like business reports, PDFs, or project briefs. Once uploaded, these files become your knowledge context. That means every AI model you're using will now understand your data, your goal, and your requirements without you repeating it again and again. This makes your responses more accurate, more relevant, and much more consistent. Now, instead of going to different websites, you just write your prompt once in the center input box. For example, create a 6-month business growth plan with a clear strategy and action steps. Click Send. Within seconds, all selected AI models start generating responses side by side. Now you can compare everything on one screen, no tab switching, no copy-paste. You simply review the answers and pick the one you like the most. Then you click the Commit Best Version button. Now your selected response moves to one of the most powerful features, the action tray. This is where the real magic happens. After you click Commit Best Version and Action Tray, your selected response appears in the action tray. Let's say you want to create a LinkedIn post. Instead of rewriting everything manually, just click on LinkedIn Post. Instantly, your content is transformed into a clean, well-structured LinkedIn post with a strong opening, proper formatting, and ready-to-post structure. You can copy it, download it, or directly upload it. Now, let's say you want to send an email. Click on Email Assistant. Your content is converted into a professional email with a subject line, greeting, and closing ready to send. And if you want a quick overview, just click on Summarize. It turns your long content into short, clear key points perfect for quick reading or sharing. All these generated results are displayed inside the Action Tray panel, so you can easily view, manage, and use them without leaving your workspace. Now, here's another very useful feature. You can export your entire workspace. Select your workspace and hit Download. All your chats, including responses from all AI models, will be downloaded as a zip folder. You can use it later, share it with your team, or keep it as a backup. So instead of juggling multiple tools, repeating prompts, and losing your work, Ensemble gives you one simple system where everything just works. Less switching, less confusion, better results. That's how you save time and actually make AI work for you.